Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how you can connect your TCL Smart TV with your cell phone's hotspot. So if you want to connect your TCL Smart TV with your cell phone hotspot Wi-Fi, what you can do is you can open your cell phone hotspot by turning on the mobile data and by turning on the personal hotspot, and you can turn off the Wi-Fi. So once you have turned on the hotspot on your mobile, you can on your smart TV, you can go to the top right corner on the settings, and from the settings you can go to the network and internet, and this is my home Wi-Fi, and the second one is my hotspot that is showing up. I can go to the hotspot network that is available, and I can type in the password. And now it will connect to my personal hotspot. So as you can see, now it is connected. So this is how you connect your TCL Smart TV with your hotspot. So I hope this was helpful. Thank you so much for watching.